Hello, everybody. This is Brian Kitty. I'm your Now Lifestyle Sci-Fi coach. And today we're going to be doing a special training. And we're going to be looking into our lead capture system, or LCS. And this is sort of an introduction. I'm going to be doing this in two parts. This is part one. So what is a Now Lifestyle lead capture system? Basically, it is a collection of done-for-you marketing funnels, which leads to another question. What is a funnel? And fundamentally, why do you need them? So let me give you a real simplified definition. A funnel is an automated, and that's exactly why you need it, because it's an automated system or process designed to find a potential prospect and turn them into a client or customer. This is done automatically. It's done while you sleep. It's done while you play. And that is why you need funnels. Now, they have been around for ages. In fact, funnels have been around long before the internet. One of my most successful funnels, remember, I've been 100% self-employed since 1980. And one of my most successful funnels was actually done in the 1980s. In the 1980s, there was no cell phones, there was no internet, but funnels were still an integral part of marketing. So let me show you one of my most successful funnels. This is a funnel in 1980. First of all, I had a system for generating leads. In those days, the system that I used was called classified ads. We'd run classified ads, and people would read the ads, and then they would call the number. That would be our, the term we use today is that you have to have what is called a call to action. And our call to action was to call the number. Now, in the 1980s, what happened was Radio Shack came out with some new high-tech technology. Most of you have probably heard of an answer machine. But prior to this new technology, the answer machines had one cassette in it. So if I were to do a marketing system of this type, it would really be, hard, much harder before the dual cassette, because in those days, most answer messages were really short. But for my lead capture system, I had about a 30-minute presentation. People would call and listen to a 30-minute presentation. And what would happen is, because I had a dual cassette, while the people were listening to the message, the other cassette tape would rewind, so that when that message ended, the next person who called would then pick up that message. So I was able to get twice the number of phone calls, as I could with a single cassette. That was new technology in those days. But anyway, after they would listen to the message, and remember, this worked for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it would then send them to an opportunity meeting. Now, these days, I was recruiting for my real estate practice. I wanted to get real estate agents, and I would get 2 to 3 people every week or so to come out for a presentation on why they should become a real estate agent. Nowadays, however, due to the internet, websites, videos, autoresponder, bots, and more, funnels have become far, far more complex. Fortunately, for Now Lifestyle resellers, you have a ton of funnels that have already been done for you. And they're all in your lead capture system. So in this presentation, we're going to focus on our lead capture system, funnel called guaranteed paid signups. Now, most people don't think of guaranteed paid signups as a funnel, but it is. It's just that this one is 100% automated. Okay. It's proprietary. You don't even get to see how this funnel works because it's operating for you 100% in the background. You don't really do anything. Okay. Joe, does this for us. no other company anywhere has anything even close to this. We are exclusive. Now, before I get into the guaranteed paid signups, I need to explain something to you called capture rates. Remember, I have a background in real estate, a background in taxes, plus being 100% self-employed since 1980. That's a long time. Let me define recapture rates the way we would do in real estate. The recapture rate, also called the rate of investment, measures the percentage of a property's value that you need to recover every year to break even over its economic life. The thing I want you to understand is return of investment and breaking even. Now, in real estate, mainly we were looking at properties, real estate properties. And if an investor could break even in a 10-year period, that was phenomenal. We're not talking about 10 years. We're talking about recapturing your investment in months, because the guaranteed paid signups are investment properties. They're not just a lead. They're an investment in your business building. So let's look at the guaranteed paid sign-up investment costs. A $200 investment will get you 5 VIP resellers, paying members. A $400 investment will get you 10 VIP resellers, paying members every single month. A $600 investment will get you 15 VIP resellers. Remember, paying members every single month. You're getting paid every single month. As a platinum reseller, you earn 50% every month for as long as they remain a reseller. Therefore, retention is extremely important. And that's why you must follow up. But we'll talk more about that as we go along. Now, this is something that most people don't explain. And unless you actually watch my video on the binary matrix, this may not mean anything to you, but I want to explain it to you in simple terms. Here's the simple terms. Ka-ching! Every time you bring in a reseller into your business, they go into your binary matrix and they increase the number of your monthly binary matrix cycles. And that simply means this: ka-ching! More money in your pocket. So let's just look at investing in 5 VIP resellers, and let's kind of look at what it would take, how much time it would take. This is just a hypothetical of the time it might take you to recapture your investment. First off, you earn $10. That's 50% of $19.99, which is $50 right off the bat. That's $50 off the top. So that means in your first month, you will recapture $50. That part is pretty much set and granted. Rarely does anybody cancel in their first month. When they first sign up, you get that $50 almost 100% of the time. That means your net cost in your first month is $150. Your second month, they're still highly likely to be there that second month. So that means you're going to recapture another $50 for a total of $100 that you've recaptured. That's half your investment in your second month that you would have recaptured, making your net cost just $100. Now, let's just make an assumption. Because real world, nothing ever works smooth. There's always something that goes on. So in this case, we're just going to take the second month and we're going to just say 2 people cancel. Nobody might not cancel. 3 people might cancel, but we're just going to say 2 cancels. I rarely have had more than 2 people cancel whenever I've purchased these guaranteed paid signups. And usually that's like 2 or 3 months down the line. But let's say that you're doing a great job of following up, communicating, and one of them literally decides to upgrade to a platinum reseller. And that happens all the time. That means in this particular illustration, your recaptured for that month is $45. It's not 50, it's 45. You earn $25 off of your platinum, you're a person who upgraded to a platinum, but you're still only earning $10 per month on the 2 that remain VIPs. That means your net cost in your third month is now $55. Now, they're learning. They're understanding the system. One of them, let's say they buy one thing of protein powder. That's it. They'll probably buy more, but let's just say they just buy one container of protein powder, just one of your resellers. You're going to earn 20%, which is about another $7. That means in your fourth month, you would have $7 from the protein powder that you sold. You would have got $20 from the 2 that are VIP, $25 from your platinum reseller. And you will also have gotten some binary matrix income. Don't know how much that would be. We're not going to factor that in. But that means that you will have recaptured $52, maybe $52 that month. That means you have recaptured your entire $200 investment in 4 months. And from now on, you are in profit. This is powerful stuff that I'm sharing with you. Folks, it could be 5 months, 6 months. It could be 2 or 3 months. But you're going to recapture fast. So each dollar that you invest in guaranteed paid signups is going to produce you, okay, a recapture rate that is quick, and you will be in profit quickly. And that's important. This is a business, remember. This is a business. So you will get into profit very, very quickly. Plus, as I keep emphasizing, every reseller that you bring in, but also every reseller that they bring in, because they're going to learn to start getting leads. They're going to learn to, maybe someone will start buying guaranteed paid signups, or maybe they'll buy some of the other leads. Some of them may even join our 10X blogger system. You never know. But every time someone comes in, they go into your binary matrix, they increase the number of your cycles, and ka-ching, 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 more money is put into your pocket. Now, when you invest in guaranteed paid signups, you have 2 basic jobs. The first is simply build a relationship. Send them emails, send them texts, connect with them on Facebook, stay in communication with them. Share with them your progress. Give them tips and ideas. Help them to build their business. Get them to join our various Facebook groups, because there you will have other people helping you, okay, to build that relationship. People will get to know you, like you, and trust you. And that's what you want to do. You want to get them to know you, like you, and trust you. Invite them to weekly trainings. They need to learn, just like you need to learn. You have to go to trainings. I do a training every Monday. But we have trainings going on during the week. They're listed in your back office. Get your resellers to attend the weekly trainings. We have replays, because we know everybody's schedule is different, so they can go back and watch the video replays. The more training they watch, the more they interact with you, the more they interact with Facebook groups, the longer they're going to stay, the more they're going to invest in themselves, and that's what you want. Okay, this training is pretty much over, but before going to part 2, we're going to switch to screen sharing mode, and I want to show you how to access the guaranteed paid signups in your back office. So bear with me as we switch over to screen sharing mode. Okay, everybody, we're switching over to our screen sharing mode, and I'm getting ready to log into my Now Lifestyle back office. Now, when you log into your Now Lifestyle back office, hopefully you've been here before and you listened to the beginning video here, which says watch this first for your success. But what we want to do is we want to now go to Reseller Tools. Reseller Tools, that's correct. And you have 3 tabs here. Today we're going to look at this one that says build your downline with guaranteed paid signups. We also have build your list with leads, which we'll talk a little bit about more in part 2. We also have the build your business with 10x Blogger. Please, please do not sign up for 10x Blogger here. Always, always contact your upline, your direct upline, to see if they have 10x Blogger, and if they do, get their link. Anyway, this is the part that I want to show you, because this is our proprietary guaranteed paid signups. All you have to do is click the button there. There's a little video here that you want to watch. Then just simply click guaranteed paid signups. Now, a lot of times you're going to come here and they're going to be sold out. Right now, they are available. Watch the video. Simply click there, select whether you want 200, 400, or 15. Select whether you want 5 signups, 10 signups, or 15 signups. Just do that, click, and it will build the card that you have on file with NowLifeStyle. It is that simple. In part 2, we're going to be looking at this section here of our lead capture system, and you're going to be looking at the other funnels. So looking forward to being with you in part 2, and we're going to look at these other funnels. Bye-bye.